Hey guys, so in this tutorial I will show you how to record your screen using OBS. So it's really simple guys. We can go to our internet browser and in our search bar we can type OBS project. Okay, so as you can see, the first option that says obsproject.com, we can click here, and as you can see we have three different options. Depending on your OS, you can choose whatever you want. In my case it's Windows, so it doesn't change the process, it's the same. So we can click on Windows, we can wait for it to download. Okay guys, so after you have the download, you can go to our download folder and double click on it. Okay, so it will pop up the installer. We can click yes, we can click on next. The folder where it will be installed, we can click on install. And actually, yeah, I need to pause the recording, but I will show you how it looks at the end of it. Okay, so after that issue, it's really simple. We just need to close all AMD software we have on the background, and after that we can just click continue and it will install. Okay, so after we have OBS, we can check this box that says launch OBS Studio 30.0.2. we click finish and we can click run normally. Okay, so we just need to wait for it to open. And as you can see, well, this is another option, this is another OBS, but doesn't matter, it works the same way. We can just continue without logging, and as you can see we have two different sources and a single scene. Okay, so it's really simple. For basically for this to work, I will show you how to do it from scratch. We need to create a new scene. We can put it like a scene like that. We can erase this one. And as you can see, OBS works with scenes and sources. Okay, so in this case this is considered one scene and contains many sources. We need to click on add source, and after that we can click on display capture. Okay, click OK, and we can choose the display. In this case this is mine, so we can just hit OK, and after that we need to open our audio input capture. In my case it's going to be this one, and we can set up which microphone we choose. Okay, in my case will be the Razer Saturn X. We click OK, and after that you will have many different options, and as you can see we have an option called start recording. That's the one that we're going to use, and once you hit there it will start recording your screen, like as you can see, and after we hit stop recording it will show us the basically the place it has been recorded. So that's it guys, that's how you can record your screen and your audio using OBS. Thank you so much and bye.